Today, the Honda Prelude, well, we're taking it to a shop, but it's not going to get worked on. What we're going to do is take these parts, the lip kit, to get paint matched. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. So, because I'm getting paint match for the Prelude parts, that means I need to bring the Prelude, I need to bring the parts. Hopefully I can fit them in. Also today, we're supposed to be seeing Lambo Doggy. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, I think you have to get the key in here to get the, to get the, oh, sorry, it's all dark in here, to get the seats down. And ooh, nice. That's actually a decent amount of space. I say that right now, but watch when I get the parts in, it's not going to be enough. We'll see. And then the Moto Compacto's there still. Here's the side skirts. Here's the front lip. And here's the rear one. Ooh, almost forgot something. Mirror. Yes, the ATTS light is still on. We'll give her some time to warm up because, well, she's from 1999, so she's old. Oh, look who's here early. I got Michael with his Lamborghini. So here we are, the auto body shop. Check out what they have. So yeah, Lambo Doggy. You guys have seen him in my videos before. He's guess getting some stuff fixed up on his Lamborghini. Morning. And
give me a second to like add that.
And then of course my Prelude with the parts. We already have an estimate. He's getting an estimate, and I think the parts stay as far as mine go. So I'll open her up.
There you go. So there's some filler there that they didn't.
Yeah, for those of you who haven't seen, it's a manual. It's a gated manual too. So super cool. Really nice color too. But it's just gonna get a few things fixed up, rock chips and stuff like that. That's nice. Focus RS. Nice audio over there too. Look at that. Right next to the Prelude. Oh yeah, this will look way better with the lip. Look how it's sitting up too tall. I don't want to lower it though. All right, back in the Prelude, and I'm only leaving 2 parts. Yeah, unfortunately, but fortunately, because Casey here at the shop is super knowledgeable, very honest, and we actually tried fitting some of the parts before he just takes them and sprays them, and it turns out the side skirts and the back lip not a good fit, but the front lip, which is my favorite part of the kit and looks really good, that one should be pretty good, or really good. You got Michael over there, and then he's following me. And then the other thing is the mirror. Of course, the mirror should be no problem at all. So that should be painted and then come back for install. 2 easy parts by next week. So I'm gonna try to figure out if I can replace rear. If I can, oops, I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna see if I can return them, the parts that don't fit. So, yeah. But yep. In the meantime, Michael and I are gonna go get coffee. There you go, the beautiful Gallardo. Man, I think sounds good. So good. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, you taking a bite?
I've already taken a bite.
Oh, you did? Oh, wow. That's actually, wow, it's interesting. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Oh, that bacon. One bite of the whole thing. Look at that.
I've taken my one bite.
The burrito, yeah. All right, we got again Michael's Gallardo. Oh, look at this! I didn't notice he has. Oh, there we go, focus. He has anxiety there. That's so cool. And then, if you haven't seen his plate, gated G, because it is a gated manual transmission. You got anxiety.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool. All right, back in the Prelude, and that sounds good, Lamba Doggy.